Hi guys, today I'll show you how to use factory design patterns in Java. Let's start. So in this project, we will create a new interface. Let's say animal. So animal is interface. And in this interface, we will have two concrete class called, let's say, dog. And this dog will implement interface, animal. And we have another class that implement animal interface called cat, implements and animal. There we go. So let's say we have a class called factory. Let's say animal factory. And in this factory, we will have a method to, let's say, uh, public static void, let's say create. And depending um, on the input here, let's say type of the animal, we will return the animal that required. So we change the void here into, let's say, animal. Okay, so we can have an if and else. So let's say if type equals, let's say, dog, then we'll return new dog. And else if type equals, let's say, cat, we'll return, let's say, new cat, for example. Okay, and we can have another else here, and in this else we'll try to, let's say, return no. So which means that we don't get the appropriate type. We can use our patterns here by first let's try to create a cat, for example, and we use animal factory and call create cat, for example. We system out to see what we have here. Okay, so this is animal, sorry. Okay, and if we want to create a new dog, we can just say animal factory create dog, and we can system out this dog to see what we have. So we have two different objects of different type. One is cat and one is dog, and they are created by the same methods. The only difference is the parameter that we